On Mac, you have Pages to create docs, like letters, notes, numbers for spreadsheets, and for PDFs, we have Preview. A form lands in your inbox. School, bank, a client, doesn't matter. It needs filling in. It needs a signature, and it needs to go back today. Here's what most people do. They print it, sign it with a pen, scan it back in, or they go download yet another app just to sign one page. You don't need to do any of that. Your Mac already has everything. Sign it, fill it, combine it, scan a document, or shrink it. No extra app needed. Let me show you from start to finish. First, filling it in. Open the PDF file in Preview app. And a lot of forms, you just click straight into the field and type. And that's easy, works for almost everyone. But here's the part that frustrates almost everybody. Some forms are not really forms. You click and nothing happens. Nowhere to type. Let me show you the easy fix. Up in the markup toolbar, there's a text box. You click, drop it anywhere. In the box, you can type and done. Repeat the same process as many places you need to fill in this document. And now this one feature makes every type of PDF file fillable, even the ones that were not built to be. Now the signature, the feature that almost everyone needs someday. And this is also the one that most people get wrong. They usually scribble it with a finger on the trackpad. And it looks like some child did it. But let me show you a far better way to create your own original signature. Sign your name on a plain piece of white paper. Proper pen, your real signature. Click on camera. Now hold it up to your Mac's camera. And there it is, your real signature. Lift it clean off the paper. Background gone. Or if you have an iPhone or iPad, select your device. On iPhone, you have to use your finger to draw your signature. But if you have an iPad, it becomes really interesting. You can use Apple Pencil to draw your actual real signature. And it takes only a couple of seconds. Once satisfied, click on Done. Now drag it onto the document, size it, place it anywhere, and done. And the best part is, it is saved permanently in your Preview app. Next form, next week, next month or year, doesn't matter. Just tap on signature, drag it, resize it, and done. And that's the signature that you can even send to your bank without wincing. And if you need to mark something up, circle a figure, point an arrow, or highlight a line. The same markup toolbar does all of it. In fact, if there is an element in an image, or maybe it's a text, you wish to highlight or even magnify, you can choose this option to simply magnify anything in a file. Once done, save it, export it, or email it. It's ready. The document is now fixed. But now let's build it. Let's say a part of what you need is on a paper, a receipt, a signed letter. Here's where your iPhone, iPad, and Mac, they work together as one. Click File at the left side top corner and choose Import from iPhone or iPad. Scan documents. That immediately activates a scanner on your iPhone. Now you can scan with the iPhone in your hand. Don't hurry up. Take your time. If it is not captured properly, you can delete it and recapture it. Hold your iPhone above the document properly and it will capture the perfect preview within seconds. Once done, click on checkmark and that lands directly onto your Mac. Already a clean PDF. No cable, no airdrop, no emailing to yourself. Your iPhone is your Mac's scanner now. Now here's a real situation. You have sent documents off, and the final invoice arrives 2 days later. You don't start over. Open Save PDF, click on View, Thumbnails, and that shows Thumbnail sidebar on left. Now select and drag the new page straight into this sidebar. Drop it exactly where it belongs. The document just grew, no redoing anything. Now same idea, but bigger job. You've got 3 or 4 separate PDFs, statements, a contract, a cover letter, a receipt, and they need to be one clean file. Select all PDFs and drag them all into one. And if the pages come out in the wrong order, which scans always do, just drag them up and down into the right place. And if you see any extra page that you don't want, click it, hit delete, and gone. One important thing, preview saves as you go. So before you start working on the original document, I highly suggest you to create a duplicate and work on the copy. That ensures that your original document is always intact. Now the document is ready and you need to email it, but the email bounces back because the file size is too big. This is the problem that almost all of us experience someday. So here's what you do. Click on File, Export, select the format PDF, Quartz filter, choose Reduce File Size. Save it, and it shrinks, often dramatically. But one honest heads up, because nobody tells you this. The filter can squeeze images pretty hard. For a text form or contract, you will barely notice. But if your PDF is full of photos or detailed scans, check it before you send. It can soften images. Again, before you even shrink it, ensure that your original copy is intact. Now, if you need it in another format, a single page as an image, or a specific PDF setting, click on File, Export, and that gives you choices. One menu, every option right there. Now I want to be very straight with you, and that's the whole point of this channel. For everything what we just did, signing, filling, combining, shrinking, preview is all what most people will ever need, and Apple keeps adding to it every year. But it does have a ceiling. If you need to edit the actual text inside a PDF, run OCR to make a scanned page searchable, process 100 files at once, or do some serious professional PDF work, that's where a dedicated PDF paid app earns its money. That's not a knock on preview. It's just knowing the right tool for the job. For the everyday 90%, you already own it. So the next time a form lands in your inbox, don't print it, don't download anything. Fix it, build it, send it, all on your Mac, iPhone, and iPad. Now, if you want to see what else your Mac can do without downloading anything extra, I do it almost every week. And here's the next one for you. But before you click on it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe Crazy Edits for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.